guys! In the last workshop, we've introduced the first two sections of capturing race, comparing and increasing our own liberties on the chessboard. In this section, I will introduce to you a new term, 手筋, which means tactic in English. 手筋 is a very ingenious move on the chessboard in some special cases. There are different kinds of 手筋, as the net and step back I've introduced previously. In this section, we will look at some examples of 手筋 or tactics which could decrease our opponent's liberties. Let's look at them. So now we can look at this complicated shape here. There exists a 手筋 or tactic in this shape. On the corner, we can see that there are two cutting points for black, here and here. Which one is the 手筋 or tactic? Now it's white's turn to step. Actually, this cutting point is the 手筋 or tactic. White places here and black can only stick here to survive. And then white can stand here. Both this point and this point are unreachable points for black. As a result, white kills black. This shape formed by this and this is called the golden chicken standing on one leg. So now it's black's turn. If black places here, then white can kill those three black stones because there is only one liberty left. And if it places here, white can kill this group of black stones. In this case, black cannot step in any of those points, and white kills black. In this case, we can see that there are three groups of white stones being separated by those groups of black stones, and that they have no way to escape. However, there is a 手筋 or tactic here that could help those white stones escape. Let us see which step. So, if wedging here is the correct choice, if black places here, and then white will just cut here. If black attempts to escape, it must go here to eat the white. However, white can just go here, and then if black sticks here, white can kill those black stones because there's only one liberty left. And if black goes here, white can still kill those black stones. So in this case, the three black stones are killed by white wedging here, and those groups of white stones are saved. In this case, our shape is simpler, but we can see that those two white stones are surrounded by black stones, and this group of black stones seems to have a potential real eye here. In this case, how can we save those two white stones? Sometimes it is ineffective to block our opponent's liberties in a direct way. For example, in this situation, if white attempts to go here by blocking directly those black stones' liberties, it will make a real eye, and we are one liberty different, and white stones are killed. However, if we change another perspective and use a sort of tactic to attack those black stones, we have a chance. So here, it is correct to place here by not directly blocking black stones' liberties. If black stones attempt to block here, white will place here, and we can see that there are three liberties for white, while only two liberties for black. In this case, black stones are killed by those two white stones. If black stones goes here, white is going to go here so that there are still two liberties for black and three liberties for white. In this case, white also wins. Now we've come to a rather complicated situation. We can see that those white stones and those black stones are having a capturing race. So what can we do to increase the white's liberties or to kill the black? Let's try some moves. Usually, a stand on the edge is a good play to increase the liberties. However, if white places here, then black can stick here. In this case, we can see that there are only 4 liberties for white, while 6 liberties for black. So obviously, black wins by killing this group of white stones. Standing here is not the correct move. However, by using some tactics, we can kill the black stones. For example, by placing here, attempting to cut those black stones. So black stones can only place here to check the white, and after a series of moves, check, and black can only stick, and white blocks black's liberties. In this case, we can see that there are only 2 liberties for this group of black stones and 3 liberties for white. By using this way, by using the tactic of cut, white wins the game. In this section, we learned how to decrease our opponent's liberties. We officially finished the chapter of capturing race, which includes comparing and increasing our own liberties and decreasing our opponent's liberties. In the next workshop, I will introduce to you a new chapter which is related to invasion of territory. See you next time!